I'm going to go over how to create a perpendicular line through a point that is on the given line using a compass and a straight edge. So a compass, once again as a reminder, is a tool that we can use to create circles with a given radius. So sometimes they look like this one right here, sometimes they look like this one right here. I'm going to be using this compass. So I have this line right here, and I have a point that's on the line. It could be anywhere on the line, but a lot of times when we're using this, we want to have it be one of the endpoints of my line segment. So what I want to do is I actually want to go and extend this line to go beyond the given line segment. So I just want to make sure that's lined up. Draw myself a line. And now we're going to kind of do the opposite of doing a perpendicular bisector. So I'm going to stick the center of my compass on this line, and I want to just set my compass at really any radius that we want. So maybe I want to just keep it where it already was, make it a little bigger, a little smaller. I'm going to draw a mark on each side. So you can draw the full circle or even just rotate this around to the other side without moving that center. Mark both sides. Except for it looks like I did move it and I used the other side. So make sure that you are using the correct part. So I'm going to mark that. So these two right here are the same size. So we know now that this is the midpoint of this line segment right here. So what we're going to do is we're going to act like we're constructing this midpoint or the perpendicular bisector for this. Even though we know it goes through this point, we're going to do the same thing that we did. Here's this line segment right here. I want to adjust my compass, so stick the center at one of these 2 points right here. Adjust my compass so it goes more than halfway. So this case we know exactly where halfway is, so I'm going to make it go just a little bit more. And then I want to hold my compass there, mark above and below, mark some arcs there, make sure it goes, that I can have it be going directly above and below that midpoint. Without moving the compass, do the same thing on the other side. Stick the center at this point right here. And then I want to do arcs above and below. And I'm gonna, if I connect these intersecting points right here, and make sure we go through as we go through those points, then this angle, we go through the point that we started with. If I measure this angle, this is now a 90-degree angle.